Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your fun to drive and reliable 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the XLE Package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a cool black sand pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. In front here, you have your fully automatic headlights and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, all part of your Toyota's safety sense. But why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy proximity key. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. We're going to lock up these doors here now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the keys into my back pocket. You're going to run your hand across the handle, and it'll unlock for you, so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. And you are welcome to buy a stunning, sporty interior right off the bat. You have your power windows and your power locks on the side with some storage. You have your power adjustable side mirrors with that cool fan detailing, as well as with your XLE, you have your heated steering wheel and your heated side mirrors, perfect for those cold Alberta winter months. Keeping everything nice and clean is your full set of Corolla all-weather floor mats. And you also have your power adjustable driver's seat for the ultimate comfort. The real showstopper is your all-leather interiors with that contrasting white stitching to just add that sporty touch. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open on those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on in and start it up? Starting up your Corolla is easy. With your proximity key, put your foot on the brake and hit that push start button. Your dashboard's gonna light up to welcome you. You get to see that awesome ambient lighting, and you also have your dashboard menu, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. You have your lane departure warning right there, as well as you can see your music and your compass, as well as some other things that you can play around too. You have your hands-free calling, your volume control, your voice command. As part of your Toyota safety sense, you do have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set from here. Taking a look at your sweet LCD screen, you do have your CD player on top. Your audio does include your AM/FM radio, as well as your Sirius XM radio. And you have your Bluetooth audio with your Bluetooth hands-free calling. Another sweet feature about your Corolla is you have a navigation system. It's very straightforward to use. Come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. Just adds that extra touch of luxury to your vehicle. Turning on the light now so you can take a look at your climate control. It's a stunning modern design with these beautiful tabs to set all of your options. You have your automatic climate control as well as your air conditioning, which does come in handy when it's hot outside. You have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger with 2 different levels. Make sure you're nice and comfortable when it's snowing or cold. You have your 12-volt DC charger and USB and auxiliary input. That beautiful leather trim on your shift knob. We're seeing that chrome detailing on your cup holders with that leather on your parking brake. These pieces do come out as well to make it nice and easy to clean, and you do have your traction control available down there. In your center console, you do have that top shelf for any smaller items and plenty of space with that removable mat to make it easy to clean. Taking a look at your glove box now. You have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla and storing anything else you want in your vehicle. Plenty of dark leather trims just to tie everything together on your dash. And really great features. But why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. As you can see, you have that sweet XLE badging on the back of your vehicle, as well as your backup camera is available underneath there as part of your Toyota safety sense. Opening up that trunk is easy. Simply hold that release button on your fob. It'll pop open for you, perfect for when you have your hands full. Plenty of space, despite it being a sedan, to hold everything that you need, as well as those convertible 60 40 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Underneath this hardcover here, you do have all the tools and your jack with your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You will definitely be prepared for that. You also do have your handy cargo lamp underneath for visibility. You have your emergency release for your trunk. And we'll close it up to take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the XLE package. Included in your upgrade package, you have your navigation as well as your backup camera and your stunning heated leather seats for the ultimate comfort and convenience. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.